What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today we're going to be taking a look at yet another variant of the Hinderer XM18 3.5 inch. This is the Monkey Edge exclusive Mefp or Monkey Edge Frag pattern in 3V. I can't do this. It's just Hinderer after Hinderer after Hinderer, and my enthusiasm is waning as of late because I've realized that no matter how much progress I make on YouTube, no matter how much I grow, I can only ever exist as a shadow in the presence of the knife reviewer that I idolize the most, if I'm being honest. It's bad. It's ugly, even. I'm never going to be as good, nay, as great as the one and only Nick Chavez. Wait, unless I become Nick Chavez. What's stopping me? There's nothing stopping me. It couldn't be that difficult. Let me get rid of these. We need here maybe some, just some perforated background. That's, looks like his, right? And then, what kind of stuff does he like? Like the Spyderco Delica, right? This couldn't be that hard. I just need to change my voice just a little bit. Change my voice just a little bit. Hey everybody, Nick here, and today we're going to be taking a look at this little guy right here. This is the Spyderco Delica. Now, listen, I've reviewed the Spyderco Delica many times, talked about it just way too often, but I gotta say, this little guy is just freaking excellent. I mean, freaking excellent. This is not such a complex thing, yeah? I mean, just take a look at this grind down here. It's so thin. It might be kind of hard to see, but of course, not nearly as hard to see as my hands. Am I right? Boy, does this magnifying glass come in handy or what? Okay. Oh my God, what am I even doing here? Of course, no Nick Chavez review is complete without the Z Hunter. Z Hunter! The Z! This is terrible! It's terrible! Just look at this, look at this, look at this right here. Look at this. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Oy, oy, oy. Back to the Delica. You know, this video's getting pretty long. I'm probably gonna have to clip it. Lanyard hole. A hole for lanyards. The backspacer. Look at this pivot. Sal Glesser. And this is a Spyderco? Sal Glesser. Spyderco? From Sal Glesser. The Spyderco Delica is just simply put the best folding knife there ever was. I mean, how could you get better than this? I don't know. I digress. I yield. I can't do that. That's so difficult to do. Oh man, the amount of work that's involved with that. Look, it doesn't matter. No matter how much effort I put into, trying to be somebody else or trying to imitate somebody else, an imitation, a clone, a counterfeit, it'll never be as good as the real thing. Nick Chavez he's an original, right? It doesn't matter what the future holds. Nobody will ever be Nick Chavez. And I think it's best that I just continue doing my own thing, right? Even if it does consist of enjoying stuff like this. Ouch, jeez, my finger. Anyways, the channel is going to, of course, progress the way that it always has. I have no plans on changing anything. And in all seriousness, I have the utmost respect for Nick Chavez. If you guys didn't know, he really did, inspire me to start my own channel. So I hope you've enjoyed this little experiment here. I hope you guys have found this at least mildly entertaining. Thanks so much to Nick Chavez for having just an awesome sense of humor about this. And make sure you guys go check out his channel. He might have something else up, in the same line of this. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's review. If you did, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have Lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.